After you've unboxed the printer, connect the power cord, plug in the printer, and press the power button. Select the correct language, country, date, and time. When you see this screen, install the ink. Unlock and open the ink pack tray cover. Remove any packing material. Press the ink pack tray to release it, then pull the tray out. Remove and discard the protective piece. Unpack the black ink and remove any packing material. Shake it about 10 times. Place the ink pack into the tray until it clicks. Do not touch the green chip on the ink pack. Push the tray into the printer. Close the ink pack tray cover and lock it. Select OK or Installed on the LCD screen to begin charging the ink. Once the printer has finished charging the ink, you can load paper into the cassettes. Remove a cassette and slide the edge guides out. Insert the paper and slide the front and side edge guides along the edges of the paper. Insert the cassette. Select the paper size and paper type based on the paper you loaded. Repeat this process for any additional paper cassettes.